na pia kuunderstand that wewe ni role model. Today, as I stand here,
license. So I think it's a belief that he's doing a very good job.
Part of our course was match analysis, where we had to go to league matches and do analysis. And I realized that it is not something you just wake up and do. It is the details, it is the key moments. You analyze almost everything, the transition and all that. So
without youth football or women football, we don't have at the top, we will not have the right people or the right players who are ready to play at the top. And I think it's a plus as a country, because when you invest more in the kids or the youth football, that's where we have so many talents, raw talents that needs to be nurtured.
Experience yangu katika hii course ya KFC imekuwa fiti. Tumepata knowledge ambayo najua nitakusaidia kule nje.
Because most of us have been coaching, though we did a KFD course, it was basic, but now this was like an advanced version of coaching.